Phil from PT Precision. We're just doing, got a, what's this, a Ford Everest, so 3.2 litre, turbo diesel, you know, Pico Ranger, BT50, Mazdas, lots of stuff. So I've got a glow plug out, won't, hard start and rough start when it's cold, down in the snow. Just going to do the glow plugs. Hopefully they don't snap coming out, so they shouldn't, hopefully. But the manifold, the manifold's a bit of a bitch to get off. Look at all the carbon in here. Fuck me, there is shit in there everywhere, right? There's heaps of it in here, but anyway, that's not, you know, the reason. You can get these manifolds off. You've got to use the 3/8, it's not 3/8, quarter drive socket and extension, get into that bolt next to the EGR. You can, yeah. So you can get them off. Don't go pulling the EGR off. So I'm just looking at that now. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so I got the manifold off here with a 10mm quarter drive socket. I left the socket on there because when you wind it up, the EGR starts to foul. See, there's the EGR just there. So it starts to foul that EGR in here, and the rest of them are pretty straightforward to get. So when I'm installing it, I'm going to leave that socket on there until the last moment, then I can flick it off and I can fall down. I'll grab it somewhere. But the bolts will stay in there. But this is, it's pretty carboned up in the manifold, but the cylinder head looks okay. It looks, yeah, it looks really, there's a bit of dirt, that's from the top, but we'll blow all that out. But yeah, anyway, we'll give these a go. Oh yeah, yeah, that's pretty bad. But anyway, we'll clean that as well, or we've got it out. Yeah. Sweet. All right, so we've got the glow plugs out of the 3.2 litre Ford engine. You can see there's 5 glow plugs obviously, but there's one that we knew that was open circuit, which was this one. It gone. There's another 2 that have got really high resistance. So these, like 50 ohms resistance. I think there was one that was good, which was this one. Yeah, 0.3. So that one was okay. Out of all 5 of them, the other ones had really high resistance and stuff like that. So the 9 that's right on it. Yeah. So borderline. So we've put all new ones in. We've got it back together. Haven't started it yet. So that was yesterday. We did start it yesterday. This is the first start. Instant start. One crank. So it's a bit of a job. We actually cleaned all the manifold out. You saw how bad the manifold was in there, but you know, that's carboning up badly, but I mean that's good. It's a good job. Yeah. All right.